got some biggins. Landed.
Yeah.
Come on now. Come on now. Come on now.
Where you at? Oh, you're going all the way over there. Oh, nice.
Hey now.
Atta boy.
We broke the skunk.
Atta boy.
We broke the skunk.
Now it's over.
Right there, if you're watching. That one's for you, buddy. He always makes fun of me because I don't catch anything.
Who? Oh,
my brother.
Oh, I thought you were talking to me. There you go.
Jack Creval.
Nice first one, huh?
And or Doc Donkeys.
Let's see what you got. Oh,
Yeah, boy! Supposed to wet your hands before you touch these dudes. Hey, buddy. We did it! He's going back. Bye-bye. You got one? Oh!
get out of your way here.
What's that? Is that a trouty? Yes, sir. Woo! All right, Mike, we gotta get you on the books.
I was gonna say, get off the stein, huh?
Gotta get you on the books. Bam, bam. Later, gator.
Yeah, that's a Snook.
Feels teeny.
You getting after it today, huh?
All right. You want to know what I did? Right where those trees are, I threw it as close to that tree, yeah.
Yeah.
Usually like the leg. I went real further.
That's all you B-word. Freaking B-word!
Man, I could have swore that was. That sucks.
All right. Hey, look.
Delete video.
Yep. We don't need this clip. All right. I don't like touching these creepy things. Bye-bye. What kind of lure is that?
Just a little jig.
Nice. Gold plate. Parity. Go. Nope, you got it. You got it. You got it.
Go on there.
You got it.
Yeah.
Another jack.
Is it?
No, oh yeah, it is a jack.
Yeah, buddy. It's like the same size as the last one.
Go for the trolling motor.
All right, this has already been my most successful fishing day. Like, right? This candlelight dock donkey dinner. And later.
I don't like it though. It's like.
There we go. There we go.
Get him out of there.
I might walk over to you. I think that might be a red. No, it's a snook. Oh, jump out of there.
Keep away from the trolling motor because it's on.
Come over this way, buddy. Hey, first snook there, buddy.
There you go.
Look at that. Look at that.
Hold on.
There you go. Bye-bye. Dude, that was awesome.
Good one.
Oh.
He's caught right in the corner.
Heck yeah.
Got him.
They're so cool looking. Just one single stripe along. You know the old
See
muscle
this right
cars?
here? That's the razor blade.
Oh,
right
that's
there.
what cuts it up.
Yeah.
Dang.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy. I like how they'll like bite down on your thumb when you're releasing them.
Yeah, buddy.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Is that your first snook?
It sure is. Look how tiny
Yeah.
that was on there.
Right in the.
Yeah, oh yeah, he was barely on there. All right. That big grin, yeah, buddy. There we go.
Ooh! Holy!
There we go. Is this on or no?
What?
Is this on or no?
Yeah, it's on.
Oh, it's been running the whole
Light's
time?
red, it's good.
Okay. It's been running. Woo! Hey, buddy! Stay over here. Stay over here. There it is. That's how I am when the coffee hits me just right. Come on in here, fam. I tell you what, dude. Circle hooks. Whoever created those. Thank goodness for them. He's been hooked twice.
That was definitely bigger than the last one. What, you got an inch and a half on your last one?
Yeah. Oh well. There you go. There you go. Bye. Woo! Reel that, baby. You can tighten your drag if you need to.
Pull up and reel down. Like pull back and then reel down real fast.
Got it. Did you tighten your drag on there?
Oh, he's kidding me.
Pull that baby hard.
Oh, we're getting out. There you go. Yeah, I got him stuck. He's occupied.
Sweet. Oh yeah, he don't know what to do. Is that a cat? Oh, that's a snooky.
That's a good size, isn't it?
Oh, yeah. Wear him out. Wear him out.
Come on over, fella.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
a big one,
That's
dude.
a big boy.
And he broke the
And
line.
he broke it.
Lesson learned. That is a big one.
That's bigger. That's bigger than yours.
Dude, that's bigger than
yeah.
everything caught today. You too.
See you later, sir.
I'll send those pictures to you.
Yeah.
You just kind of rock him back. Oh, nope. He's like, I'm ready to get. Dude.
That's all.